Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the Teal Truck Center YouTube channel. My name is Jim Teal with Teal Truck Center out of Pleasant Valley, Iowa. Guys, we are a truck dealer on the very eastern side of the state. We're in an area called the Quad Cities, and we are located on Highway 67, only 2 miles south of Interstate 80. So if you're rolling through the area, guys, do come and check out all the nice trucks we have. Today, I'm gonna give you a walk around on just that. This is a 2018 Ram 3500, not 2500, 3500 one-ton crew cab, short bed, single rear wheel. Pretty rare to have a 1-ton in this truck right here. Most of them set up like this are 3/4 ton. This is a 1-ton, guys, one step above that. This is a 2018 Laramie. She's loaded, as you can hear and see, Cummins diesel, 6.7 liter. That is the creme de la creme when it comes to diesel engines. All right, guys, let me give you a walk around. 2018, only has 104 for miles, which is absolutely just getting going for that 6.7 diesel. This is a Laramie. It's decked out. It's got the nice alloy wheels sitting on Toyo tires. Those are probably at least 75, 85%, pretty new tires. Beautiful silver exterior. This does have the chrome package, gets you the step tubes, the chrome tow mirrors. Those are power fold mirrors. Beautiful emblems. This one does also have the clearance lights on top. Again, this is the short bed. Tow package, Laramie. This one has a spray and bed liner. Also came with the factory puck package for your hitch inside the bed. All set up, it's got the wiring there. I actually have the pucks and the ball for you there, which I hardly ever get that. This one is stock emissions, guys. All factory emissions, has not been messed with. So if you want to do that, you can do that yourself, but this one's just all stock. So like I said before, this is a Laramie. And then when you get a Laramie, you get a decked out pickup truck on the inside. Leather interior, huge center console. We've got the big radio display, backup camera, heated cooled seats. There's your trailer brake controller. See this running over there, no lights on, nothing like that. Runs out great. See the interior, clean, nice headliner. I got 2 sets of keys. I got the books for you. I got nice WeatherTech floor mats. Check out the back seat here. Power slider rear window. Everything in real nice shape. Factory floor mats as well. Overall, this thing is super clean. As you can see there, not rusted all that out. Got some rock chips. You're gonna have a little something here and there. Obviously, it's not a new truck. There's a little mark right there. But overall, guys, this is a beautiful, beautiful truck. It runs out excellent. The body's in great shape. Interior's in great shape. It did have a toolbox on it right there. You can see the mounts. Most likely put another one on there. Rear bumper, I did notice there's real slight little dingers. Not big dents or anything, just I'll point those out. Beautiful truck, guys. Carfax certified, accident free. I believe it was just a 2-owner truck. Lots of service records, newer tires. Thing runs out beautifully. 2018, 104 for miles. Price to sell. Go to our website, tealtrucks.com, THIEL trucks.com. Give us a call at 563-424-2000. Hit the subscribe button here on our YouTube channel. Make sure you get that notification button hit as well. We sell a lot of trucks, guys. We sell nice trucks. We can ship them. We can finance them. Just give us a call, 563-424-2000. Until next time, have a good one.